lovelies! I'm gonna share a junk journal with you, and this is my first project on a design team, and I used the kit Fairies in my garden from Red Deer printables. I used a pink ribbon just to tie it all together. This is not very bulky, and I think you can just put a little bit more stuff inside. I made this cover, and I used an image from the kit on the front page. I think this just looks so nice colors. It's the first page, Fairies in my garden. Just throughout the journal I also used some ephemera from my stash. Lovely butterflies, sweet and dream. This is a pocket from Glassing Bags. That's another pocket from photo album, and I use a little bit of confetti just for the interest. That's another image from the kit. Beautiful lady. It's a hiding secret spot, and you can write some stuff in it. A little bit of stamping. It's another beautiful image from the kit. Doily, some stamping on the old book, some more stamping washi. A quote. Love this paper. It's another pocket that I've made from the envelope, and I used the tag from the kit, and also another printables from the kit. Another two beautiful flower images from the kit. This is tea pocket paper, a couple of paper that I dyed with beetroot juice. Another pockets from the kit, two tiny little envelopes, so you can keep some stuff inside. Another image from the kit, beautiful colors. I love this mushroom and I love this fairy. This is I cut down from a children's book. It also has mushrooms and tiny little mouse and fairies. Some doily, some bags, another tuck spot, and the images from the kit. It's the second half of the page. Some lace, another pocket, another printable image. It's an image from the magazine, just lovely flowers, I love it. Cut down from children's book, some stamping, paper, different paper, doily, another image with blue. It's another pocket, and I also have done some tiny little book decorated with image from the kit. Inside it's empty, but you can write some stuff or you can decorate it. I also tried to print the same kit on a different types of paper, so it's just how it looks like printed on a book paper. It's very pale. It's the same image set from the kit. Some writing spot, journaling spot, some stenciling, some washi just for the interest, some washi. It's a tuck spot. It's another image from the magazine, and I just fussy cut this little fairy. I love this lace. I love this page. It just looks, I don't know, it looks very interesting through lots of lace. So you open it like this, and it's a pocket. You can write down, you can journal on it, and then you can keep an image or something underneath of this measuring tape. It's another spot, and beautiful lace. I love it. It's another beautiful image from the kit, some music paper, some stenciling of flower, another flower. It's a pattern paper for texture, book pages, stamped butterflies, brown on pink. I love how it looks. Another page from the kit, and I've just done it this time as a pocket, side pocket. Another cut down image from the children's book, some doily, another paper, love how the sound, a little bit of washi tape just to cover up some stitching, and on this side I actually punched some circles, and I just stitched it through. It's just for the interest. Lots of space for journaling and some empty pages that you can decorate or you can write down. It's another half of the page with image from the kit, book pages, another pattern paper, music paper, another beautiful image from the kit. It is actually an image from children's book, and holding it with paper clip. It's another tuck spot, some music paper, another image from this kit. It's a page from children's book, Wands, Wings, Sparks and Twinkle. I always buy my wands and wings from Sparkles and Twinkle. It's another text spot. You can keep some stuff inside. Beautiful butterflies. Another image from the kit. It's actually exactly the same image as the front, but I think my printer is low a little bit on ink, so this one is more vibrant. This one is actually a tuck-in spot. You can put some stuff inside, and from this side, it's handmade envelope made from the magazine page. You open it and you can keep something inside. It's with some stamping butterflies on a baking paper. Another beautiful image of the butterfly. Another image from the kit. Paper just dyed with beetroot juice. Another half of the page baking paper. This time I stamped it with little fairies. You can see through. They're very pale but very beautiful. It's another pocket, and I decorated it with the paper from the kit. Another tuck spot. Another half of the page with fairies in my garden kit. Just some nice coffee dyed paper, just a heart for to keep interest. Half of the children's book page, some more pages from coffee dyed paper, music paper, and this is the last page with some butterflies and a beautiful fairy on a mushroom. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it.